Hey Pop, we got something going here. Trying to look at. So the way we open our day is we get the low here, and we put it on the closes, which are the bodies. So this was the low. Down here says May 10th, so we know to start here. And then we do the same thing up here to get the highs. So we got the market trap. So if the market stays within this price, we're gonna be it's a range day. If it breaks out to the low side beyond here, it's going to be a trending day to the low side or trending day to the high side if it breaks out the top. So that's kind of how we set up as soon as you sit down at your computer and get situated. And then you just want to find a channel. So we had this breakout here. This is a high. This is a swing low. So we could start there. And I was able to find kind of these touches here. We're touching and not breaking through. So it looks like we're finding support here. And the top is going to be resistance. And so currently, we had a new high here. We had a push down. We had a push up. And we just caught a violent push down. So let's see if we get a bounce in the signal candle to go long now. I'm going to get prepared up here.
Order submitted.
Buy stop. And what we'll be looking for is a push down. If we can push down, get a good signal candle, a good stem to put our stop behind, and to push up. This one jumped back up, so it looked like it's probably going to play around for a little while before it pulls back down here. But the down, up is in play. Second entry long setup off of the trend around the EMA. I mean, if we get a perfect signal candle, this will be a perfect trade. And then our target is going to be up here at 3750. 42.3750 would be our target if we was to get the right setup. And we would just wait until we get there. So I'm gonna pause and hopefully we'll get this set up. We'll get this trade. All right, Pop. Let's see here. We getting that second push. That closed right where we wanted it to. All right. We got the stem for the lower low. This would be our swing low here. Let's see what we get. See if we get a entry here. That would be a real small risk right there. But the small signal candles, although you get in at a lower risk, they not the best. And you want kind of a strong looking put. You want a strong bar to say yes, we going the other way. So actually, it pushing down helps make that happen. It gives us more stem when it goes in our favor. So it can push down a little bit. That doesn't scare me at all. That just gives me a better swing to put my stop behind to hide our stop.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
All right, we have 523 contracts left. We need this just to come back above the EMA, back into our channel, and close green, and we'll have a trade. And we'll be right off the key entry point, right off the EMA. Second entry long and an uptrend. We've already had a confirm touch here and here and here, basically, and here. So this could be a good trade here. We got 486 contracts left to go. Bars looking pretty strong so far. We have to let it close. I mean, like right now would be the perfect signal. More stem would be better, but it'd be pretty good signal bar because it's closing on its top. So we definitely want it to close on its top. Like I say, it's above the EMA, it's above the key entry points, right off the EMA, right off the key entry point. right under a beautiful signal candle short that's gonna probably trap some people. It probably already has some people trapped who thought we were at the top of the channel right now. So we'll see. We got 355 contracts to go. Normally it moves faster than this, but it's 8:45, so the market hasn't opened yet. The market opens at 9:30. Uh, 333 contracts left to go. Okay, 296. Signal bar still strong. Off the EMA, off the key entry point, with trend. I think it's checking all the boxes. And we won't even have to risk 2 points on this. We have to risk like a less than a point. I mean, we get in at, if we just get in at 42.30, our stop is 42.29. I mean, we have a point. We'd be risking a point on this trade, which is beautiful. Yep, here we go. Get a little volatility. You like to see a little volatility in the candle. That kind of lets you know that, hey, this been a move and shake. So get ready. We want to enter a tick above the close. So we'll be sitting here right now. It's at 42.30. We sitting at 30.25. So here we go. We got 59 contracts left. Two, 24. Here we go.
Order filled.
Oh, got filled quickly. And like I said, I'm gonna move my stop where it goes, just a tick under. So we're not even risking 2 points on this. And we'll see what happens here. Our first target is going to be here at 32.75. We'll move into profit then at 32.75. And I'm just going to let this trade run. I'll be back. If I just look at some of the potential this trade has, one potential is a measured move from, say, here, measure leg. So yeah, this is a target, or it could be actually bigger if I started down here and say that all this was kind of one move, one leg, then put it there. That puts our target right at the daily high. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put a little bit under so we don't have to make it there, but this would be a good target also, right before the daily high, which if this is a range day, that's exactly how it's gonna play out. So we'll see.
stop failed.
So that one didn't work out. Um, when we made this, entered here, kicked us in, pulled us back. When we made this move here is this is a higher low, and this is a good entry bar. So a lot of people would enter above this bar, which it didn't. It wouldn't have triggered. But then you get this terrible pullback here, and now it looks like it's going to go exactly where we thought. But um, well, I don't know. But yeah, this here is shocking. I kind of thought we had a good win here, but we didn't. So we gotta wait an hour here and then see if we see another option.